Hello friends, now I am discussing with you about main functions and subsidiary functions of bank. So you can understand very well that there are so many functions. Totally, according to your book, 12 functions in both. Right? So first I am starting main functions. To accept and collect deposit. So simply word you can remember collect deposit. See, whatever the money we put in a specific way with filling up the form in the bank procedure, it is called depositing money. The bank give us specific interest as decided by them. The biggest responsibility of the bank is to maintain trust of deposit holder or the customer who invest money in bank with trust. Bank generally accept money as the deposit in different types. In general way, we are having our savings account. So we deposit our money in the savings account. It is a normal depositing procedure. Not more interest they are providing us. Second one is the current account. When we are having current account in the bank is keeping our money with them, but they are charging some specific amount and no interest will be given on current account. But instead of that, the charges as the service charge will be taken from the account holder. But any account holder cannot do the work in the present modern time without having current account as the organization, because savings account is for the individual person and for any enterprise, organization, shop or whatever they need current account. So in the savings account, minimum interest at the quarterly level will be given to us, and in current account the service charge will be taken from account holders. The third one is the recurring account. Here the account holder will deposit money with specific time period. On specific dates they will deposit money. Mostly the small amounts are being deposited here and it will be kept with the bank for the specific given time period. Here the accumulated interest, collected interest will be given to the account holder but will be calculated in the quarterly level. Right, my friends? Thereafter, the fixed term account. Generally, fixed term account we keep to save our large amount for specific term on bank's assured interest. So in this way, 4 types of the accounts to keep the deposit from the account holders banks are providing. Repeatedly I am saying savings account, current account, recurring account and fixed term accounts. Clear, my friends? Now the second one is lending money. See, the lending money is, in a simple word, is one kind of the loan. In a general way, the bank accounts are maintained with depositing money and this deposited money banks will lend to the borrowers, and the borrowers will give specific assured interest on borrowed money to the bank. Here the bank is asking higher interest rate than bank giving interest to the depositors. So in that way, specific amount of profit bank will gain between paying interest rate and receiving interest rate. There will be difference, and that difference is profit of banks. Simple. Okay, one thing more. The bank is working on such kind of the so many activities, and out of all profitable activity, the most profitable activity is loan or the lending money. Right, my friends? Let us make the list of the way on which they are lending money. The two ways. First is loan, second is overdraft or cash credit. So loan is the way through which bank give or lending money to the borrowers for specific long term or short term period. Here the bank will take some surety, which is called hypothecation process, to make the lended money safe. Generally, for some poor, bank lend money with just given words. No hypothecation they are doing, but for higher amount they are must doing some hypothecation, means take some surety of papers from guarantor of the borrower. Such loan are provided to the businessman or the individual who are able to pay the interest as the bank asks. In the present time, there are so many types of the loan. Generally, we know home loan, car loan and personal loan. But except that, educational loan are also being taken now. Gold loan are also being taken now. Machinery loans are also being taken now. So in that way, there are so many ways of loans the banks are giving, right? The second way of the lending money is overdraft and cash credit. See, other way of the loan is possible for every person. Maybe home loan, maybe car loan, maybe personal loan, for every person. But for overdraft and cash credit, current account is must with bank. The holder need to keep. So here, in the time of the crisis, bank will see the account holders, work with the bank or the relation with the bank. After seeing all these things, if the bank manager and the bank administration is satisfied, they permit account holder to withdraw money more than amount of the balance they have in the account. Means up to the zero they can withdraw money, that account will remain open without any minimum balance charges, because some in routine method, that is procedure, that if you have bank account then you need to keep minimum balance, but if you are not keeping minimum balance, the service charge will be added as the minimum balance fine. But in case of the overdraft, minimum balance will not affected, right? And the additional money bank will give them for specific duration of time, mostly for short time, not for the 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. It is not time, just for the 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 5 months it is possible. It is called overdraft. Here bank need to be assured about repayment of overdraft the enterprise has taken. And the second method is cash credit. Account holder, if taken the money within the short duration, it is called cash credit, and for the longer duration it is called overdraft. So here bank supports to the businessman to keep their business in healthy manner, so they can work in better way, right my friends? So here I discussed first two activity: accept the deposit and lend the money, right my friends?